Welcome to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Farron Cafe franchise business ideas. Franchise the best coffee franchise with the most affordable frappuccinos in the metro. Farron Cafe is a business idea born out of love. Young couple Farwa and Ronnel shared a common passion for coffee beverages in their younger years while studying at a local university and even until they started a family. Both believed in the idea that good coffee and those popular frap drinks should be enjoyed by every Filipino regardless of their social status. Start your franchise with this top franchise opportunity. Exclusive pricing, shared resources, and a family of franchisees are just a few ways they are helping you in starting and growing your business. For the Farron Cafe products, they have chocolate with coffee Frosty Frappe. They have minty choco, choco chips, rocky choco snow, wild black forest, mocha, and choco burst flavor. For the coffee blend Frosty Frappe, they have cappuccino, coffee almond, coffee jelly, hazelnut, cookies and cream, and barako. For the cream blend, they offer cream brulee, vanilla, and strawberries and cream. For the fruit blends, they have blueberry, mango, and strawberry. For the iced cold coffee, they offer icy latte, icy americano, icy caramel corretto, icy chocolate, icy vanilla bean latte, icy hazelnut, icy brown sugar latte, and icy mocha. They also offer popping boba flavors like lemon, strawberry, peach, blueberry, and mango, and many more other products. How to become a franchisee? Farron Cafe wants to spread the love for coffee through franchising. It is opening its arms to qualified franchisees who are committed to high standards of customer service, passionate about running a specialty coffee beverage business, financially capable and stable, hardworking and motivated to succeed while helping the community. For the franchise packages, for the Barangay Cart package, it is worth 299,000 pesos inclusive of VAT. The product offered is Frosty Frappe. For the school cart package, which is worth 299,000 pesos inclusive of VAT. The product offered is Frosty Frappe. For the cart package, which is worth 499,000 pesos inclusive of VAT, the product offered is Frosty Frappe. For the outdoor cart, which is worth 599,000 pesos inclusive of VAT, the product offered is Frosty Frappe plus add-on feature. For the kiosk package, which is worth 888,000 pesos inclusive of VAT, the product offered are Frosty Frappe, hot drinks, and over ice. For the full cafe package, which is worth 899,000 pesos inclusive of VAT, the products offered are Frosty Frappe, hot drinks, over ice, milk tea, and yogurt. For the franchise guide, location. You must have a good location like mall, markets, churches, hospitals, offices, and others. For the franchise package inclusions, it includes number 1, equipment, number 2, license to use trademark name and logo, number 3, startup and pro opening assistance, number 4, site location assistance, number 5, franchise operations manual, number 6, training on coffee preparation, business operation, and customer service. Number 7. Marketing assistance during soft opening, grand opening, and local store marketing. And lastly, number 8. Continue mentoring, business guidance, and site visits. For the franchise application requirements, number 1. Letter of intent. Number 2. Resume. Number 3. 2 valid government IDs. Number 4. Vicinity map of locations. Number 5. Location offer sheet if available. And number 6. Filled out application form. For the payment methods, pay franchise engagement fee and pay remaining balance before opening through cash, check, and or you may consider to avail franchising loans. For the contact details, you may contact Farron Cafe with the address 49 Magnolia Street, Rojas District, Quezon City, Philippines. You can send them an email at farroncafe@gmail.com. You may call them at 8294-0295. You can visit their website at www.farroncafe.com.ph. You can also visit their Facebook page at ph.farroncafe. You can also visit their Instagram account at Farron Cafe PH. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Farron Cafe franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.